So we're ready for one of the newest features in Microsoft 365. So when you first see the Microsoft 365 Backup and Recovery tool, your admin screen will look a bit like this. From here, you start the process of configuring backup policies for SharePoint, Exchange, and OneDrive. This interface allows you to set up and manage your backup and restoration settings. You can also monitor the status of your backups and any associated tasks directly from this dashboard, providing a centralized location for managing your organization's data protection strategy. When you first work to attempt to set up the Microsoft 365 backup services, you may not get farther than the billing page, depending on what billing options have already been provisioned in your environment. You will have to use pay-as-you-go billing in Azure, and you will have to assign both the Azure pay-as-you-go billing subscription as well as a resource group before you can begin to play with the new Microsoft 365 backup service. So the Microsoft 365 backup service is part of the AI content services of Microsoft Syntex. Once you get through all of that, before you can really play with it, you'll also then need to turn the Microsoft 365 backup service on. You can see that by default, the status shows the backup is turned off. Once all that's completed, you'll finally see the real Microsoft 365 backup dashboard where you can start working from.